Oh, cool.
You want to be a pilot? Go ahead and stand right up here.
Hi.
Hey, you want to be a pilot?
Sure.
All right, perfect.
Wow.
Right here. Now,
that's pretty cool.
Do you want to go just as 2 pilots with nobody else, or do you want to wait here for a minute until we get more people to give you some gunners and engineers?
What do you
guys want to do?
Oh, it doesn't matter.
They're going just the 2 of them, Manny.
All right, you guys think I'm going to color it? This is the color.
What color?
Blue?
This is the color. All right.
Blue, all right.
Woo, there we go.
All right. Uh-oh. Oh, cool. Didn't realize it was this empty. Hi, blue. All right.
Are you 2 my pilots? All right?
Correct,
So you're
yes.
going to go left and right, you're going to go up and down.
All right.
Left is left, right is right, easy money. All right, if you want to go up, you're going to pull it back to you.
Yeah, pull
Go
back.
down, push forward. All
Okay,
right?
got it.
Now, you also have the brakes. You got 3 round buttons up on top. They're going to look just like those blue ones there, but different colors. They're only needed when they are needed. So when they flash, press them quick. How good are your reflexes?
All right.
Okay.
Check out your hands. One down, right hand up. Good. All right, you have the hyperdrive. So right next to your controls go up or down. And the big silver lever. When the base lights up, pull that, get us in on a stick situation, all right?
All right.
Head down the hall, Hondo has more instructions for you.
Sounds good. Wow. Never seen it this empty.
Welcome.
Yeah.
Right this way, my friends. Come closer. A brand new flight crew. Good luck to you all. You might need it. Today's flight takes you to the planet Corellia. You will be intercepting a first-order train shipment of coaxium. Gunners, you clear the path. Pilots, line up behind the train. And engineers, you harpoon that precious cargo. Now get the move on, and know that I have complete faith in you. But I am coming along with you just in case.
That's pretty That's pretty cool. All right.
Remain seated and supervise younglings. Por favor, permanezcan
Cool.
sentados. Cuide a los niños. Gracias.
Please store any bags or backpacks on the floor by your feet. Store your loose items and buckle your seatbelt.
All right. Let's see. Put that over.
All right. Pilots, tug those yellow tabs. As a quick reminder, you're going down and you're going up. You're going side and side. These are your brakes. These are your boosters. This is your hyperdrive. Good luck, folks. Bring home lots
All right,
of money
hit the green
for
button.
Hondo.
There we go. We're all set.
Engineers, automatic repair engaged.
No gunners in there.
Right, pilot, push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left, move your stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right, pull back on the stick to fly up, and push forward to fly down. No gunner. Auto weapons engaged. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Now let's move in that coaxium. Right pilot, make the jump to light speed. There's the train. Come, Papa. Yes, keep shooting. They've locked onto us. Take evasive action. Gunners, we need to defend ourselves. Open fire. There it is.
All right,
after that train.
Behind the train.
Left pilot, brakes. Good work. Well, my friends, that could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse. Yes, you got one. Excellent, my friends. Power of the ship. Well, I grab the coaxium. You see, just as I promised, my friend. Come on, let's get another container of coaxium. Pilots, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Get behind the train.
To the right, to the right.
Pilots, into the center. Gunship! Oh, that's ridiculous. Things are getting too hot. We got to get out of here. Yes, a distraction. Fire the missiles at the train. Hurry! The Star Destroyer is collapsing. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Boost, boost, boost. Look, we did not die. Let's get out of here! Your hyperdrivers failed. Pilots, evasive maneuvers. We've got company. Chewie's right. We cannot let them follow us back to the resistance. Only 3 left. You did it. Watch out! Oh, that's going to be Yes, Chewie will pilot us in remotely. You retrieved 1 container of coaxium. This will greatly help the resistance. You have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud. Now, after my modest profit, your cut minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon is... Oh, that feels rough. R5, damage report. Engine failure, alright. Hyperdrive leak, that is not too good. Multiple hull ruptures, well, it could be worse. That's support failure, that's... Whoa, looks like we are ready to unload.
Okay.
Safe travels, friend.
Thank you.
All available tech speeding out a Brilliant freighter that needs immediate transport back to the maintenance bay. This thing is practically scrap metal.